Good morning to one and all. Today you are going to learn about trigonometry continuation only. So we already seen many sums, the continuation of that one. Today, first sum, prove that one minus cos square theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to sin theta. How to prove this one? You see this one. We already here see 1 minus cos square theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is equal to sin theta. So how to prove this one? LHS is the solution. LHS is equal to 1 minus cos square theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. So 1 minus cos square theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. We already having, see here all right hand side sin theta only coming, this cos theta also there, cos square theta, here 1 plus sin theta is there, here 1 divided by 1 is there, denominator is not same, here two terms are there, here one term, here one term. What is meant by term? Terms are dividing by the symbol, two symbol, one is minus, another one is plus. So two terms are there. So denominator is not same, means we want to take LCM. That purpose, LCM purpose, what we are doing? Cross multiplication we are doing. The same like this, 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Already minus is there, minus cos square theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Just this one multiplying here, this one multiplying with this one only, again one multiplying with this one only, it will become this like. See, this one multiplying here written, this one multiplying here written, middle minus sign is there, again this one multiplying here written. So afterwards what happened? This cos square theta we don't want, because answer RHS is in sin, in terms of sin theta is there, change in terms of sin theta. So that purpose, using identity, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We know identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that one allied identity coming, that is nothing but cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. Afterwards, this one using, instead of cos square theta, we can able to write 1 minus sin square theta. So if this one replace, that one you keep it this one. So that time, you see very important, 1 plus sin theta. So here which terms are there? You write here minus of, so cos square theta is which one? So of the bracket you write 1 minus sin square theta. Why I have written the bracket means two terms are coming. Minus again going inside, means divided by 1 plus sin theta. So next step we see 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta. So next step, this 1 plus sin theta is not changing. Minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So plus term will be changed, minus, minus term will be changed, plus. So minus 1 plus sin square theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, change it or not? Now plus 1 minus 1 cancel, that is 0. Okay, afterwards next step, see sin theta plus sin square theta whole divided by 1 plus sin theta. So in this one you see sin theta is common. Here sin theta into sin theta is there, is sin theta. So sin theta you take outside. So taking common means sin theta of here one time is there, plus here already one time over means sin theta. Or understand? Fine. So sin theta taking common means again you multiply, you will be get this one. So whole divided by 1 plus sin theta. Now you see 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta cancel down, because multiplication of sin theta only we can cancel. So finally we got sin theta. That is nothing but RHS. So hence proved. Or understand? Okay, fine. Next sum. Next sum also easy only. So next one, under square root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. This one how to prove? This is another little bit new model. So here also you take LHS solution. So LHS is equal to, which one is LHS given? This one. So under square root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. So this one given. So in this one we already know secant square theta is related with identity coming, and cosecant square theta also identity coming. Which identity coming? That only I will write. See, using one plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So we already know the identity, main identity. This is also 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Instead of secant square theta we can able to replace 1 plus tan square theta. Instead of cosecant square theta we can able to replace 1 plus cos square theta. So replace here. So under the square root of, instead of secant square theta we can able to write 1 plus tan square theta plus, instead of cosecant square secant square theta I replace 1 plus tan square theta, cosecant square theta I can able to replace 1 plus cos square theta. So 1 plus cos square theta. Finally you add, see, 1 plus 1 2 under the square root of 2 plus tan square theta plus cos square theta. Or understand? So here see, a square format, b square format is there, 2ab, 2 is there, ab not coming, a is nothing but tan theta, b is nothing but cot theta. That one you see, just you see here, we know that 2 into tan theta into cot theta. You see, reciprocal of cot theta only tan theta, reciprocal of tan theta only cot theta. So after reciprocal formula use 2 into tan theta 1 by tan theta. Tan theta cancelling means again 2 only coming or not. So is equal to 2. So we can able to write 2 in form of 2 into tan theta into cot theta. I am replacing here. Y means, you see, this step I am writing a step under the square root of tan square theta. This is a format, a square plus cot square theta. This is plus is there, b square plus 2 is there. That 2 we can able to write 2 into tan theta cot theta, because a tan term only came, cot term only came, according to that one I taken. So why I taken means reason is there. See, tan theta into cot theta. So here plus 2ab format. So a square plus b square plus 2ab format we can able to write a plus b whole square. So here next step, a is which one? Tan theta. B is which one? Cot theta. B is which one? Cot theta whole square. That is nothing but a plus b whole square format written. Understand? Okay. So we can able to write, this is there, a plus b whole square format only, expanding means we will get this result. Instead of that one we can able to write a plus b whole square format. I change it. After what we will get? So finally whole square came. So the square root and the square cancel. because this is 1 by 2, that is again 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2, 2 to cancel. So finally what we will get means tan theta plus cot theta, that is nothing but RHS. So equal to RHS, hence crude. Are you understand? Fine. Next we will go to practice exercise. So practice exercise also easy only. Practice exercise. Exercise work is there. You see, that is practice work I am giving for you. So this exercise is very important. Daily you should do. So first sum. Prove that solution 1 sin b plus cosecant b whole square plus cos b secant b whole square is equal to 5 plus secant square b into cosecant square b. See, this first sum sin b plus cosecant b whole square plus cos b plus secant b whole square is equal to 5 plus secant square b into cosecant square b. See, instead of theta, instead of a, we are here replacing, they are given b alphabet, but model is same. Second solution, cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. This is also same. We are already seen this like model little bit similar is we already seen in previous videos. So refer that one also. You will get proper idea. Okay, do well, properly do all those exercise things. Okay, thank you.